Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal for faster checkout conversion strategies, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install PayPal for faster checkout conversion strategies, start by accessing your website's backend. Log in to your website's content management system. Navigate to the Settings or Plugins section. Search for payment gateways or payment methods available on your platform. Locate the PayPal option in the list of payment gateways. Click on the PayPal option to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to input your PayPal business account details. Make sure your email is verified and linked to your business account. Select the payment methods you want to accept via PayPal. Customize your payment experience by adjusting the settings according to your branding. If available, enable PayPal Smart Payment buttons for faster checkout. Configure the return URL to guide customers back to your site after a purchase. Check for any additional settings like currency options or transaction fees. Save your changes and proceed to test the PayPal integration. Perform a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor your checkout process for any potential issues during real transactions. Analyze your checkout conversion rates before and after implementing PayPal. Make adjustments based on customer feedback or analytics data to optimize the experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.